What's up, YouTube?
Hey.
What are you doing, man?
I switched it up a little bit. Sorry. Go ahead.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What's up, YouTube? Babe, stop that shit. What the fuck are you doing?
I'm doing the intro.
No, you not. You sound like a machine. Stop.
All right. 1, 2.
You do it, man. I ain't gonna do it. You go ahead.
Right. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, man.
You already know who's in your his house. Is your girl. Say there with the guy. There. H. That was the best H ever. And I got your boy.
Anyway, y'all, we just doing a little vlog right now.
I got
with y'all.
your boy.
DJ. You got your boy DJ in here, man. You know, we just doing like a little vlog, you know, decided to talk to y'all and teach y'all about
My truck is so big.
Babe, why the fuck are you talking like that?
Like what?
You don't know how you talking?
Yeah, no, I am talking. I talk like how I normally talk.
You acting weird.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. Anyways, yeah, we decided to just do a little vlog, talk to y'all for a little bit, you know, like see what y'all been up to, see what's going on, give y'all our daily update.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Right now, we on our way to go buy some live fish. Actual live fish.
Big
You know.
fish.
Yeah, we're gonna go buy some real fish, and also we're gonna go buy some dirt. The reason why I need dirt and fish is because I'm gonna actually plant the fish inside the soil in my yard, and I'm gonna grow fish plants. A lot of y'all probably
it's gonna be like really big, long fish plants.
Babe, why you acting so fucking sexual right now? Like, what's up? Okay, we vlogging. You ain't gotta be doing all that kind of talking like that.
I'm not talking like anything, babe.
Yeah, okay.
I'm talking normal.
No, you not talking normal.
Yeah, yeah.
No, you not, babe.
The fish plants.
All right, man. All right. Anyway, y'all, we finna grow some fish plants, and I'm not gonna use seeds or nothing like that. I'm finna use a real live fish. I'm actually gonna bury a real fish, a live fish. It's not gonna be dead, and it's gonna sit in the front of the bushes, right? And it's gonna be plants and shit. And when they get done, I'm gonna have fishes and shit gonna be jumping off the trees and stuff like this. So it's gonna look good in the summertime.
Yes.
Every time I water the grass, the little part where I'm putting the dirt.
Oh, water. Water? What?
You okay?
Yes.
Okay, we vlogging, babe.
Okay, I know.
Okay, why you moaning?
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
You over there saying fish and water. Oh yeah, big fish. What the fuck is that?
No, I'm not.
Stop.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, stop. You embarrassing us on camera, babe.
Damn.
Like what the fuck, man? Damn. Got what I was saying.
Can you take me to Sonic real quick? I just want
okay, but I'm going to get the fucking fish. I want to eat a Sonic burger and fucking fry. I'm going to go get my fish before they close.
Really, the foot long the hot dog that's really, really long and juicy and so big. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, go on.
All right, man. Listen, man, I forgot. Yeah. Every time I water my trees where I'm gonna plant the fish at, the fish is gonna jump up out the dirt, so they're gonna be keep coming up and down and shit, and it's gonna look like it's gonna be called, fish oil grass, shit like that. So
it should be called a fish tree.
Well, yeah, like a fish tree. But I want to name the motherfucker fish oil.
Why fish oil?
Because they're gonna be slippery when they come out the mud.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to name no fish tree.
Okay.
So it's gonna be the fish oil yard. I mean, the fish. You making me fuck up thinking about what you was just saying and how you was acting.
My throat, man, it's fucking up. Shit.
Bro, you so fucking sexual, bro. Like that's what you like to do, and you want people to know you doing that shit.
Yeah.
You a fucking freak, man.
Freak, yes, freak.
Y'all don't mind her. Y'all comment down below and tell me y'all understand what I'm talking about. and y'all want to still, you know, hit a project and want to see the project that I'm working on. Don't worry about Sarah because she's too fucking.
They want to see the fish tree.
I can't. I'm trying to fucking talk about it, but you over there sounding all like a damn sex tape. Stop, man.
All right, talk about your fish tree.
Shit, niggas ain't up at no 12 a.m. in the morning getting on Latina quest chat and shit.
Right.
Sound like one of them fucking sex operators. Stop, man.
Yeah, man, you tripping today.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
All right, y'all. So, like I was saying, in order to start this project, it's a certain type of dirt that you got to use in order to get the fish to jump out the ground. So it's gonna be like a water sprinkler that comes underneath the ground and it, you know, water the grass, but instead it's gonna be fish jumping out of it. And it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna have reds, I'm gonna have catfish, salmons, flounders, trouts. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have all kind of fish. I might throw a couple of crawfishes in there too. Instead of crabs, I be wanting, you know, so I have crawfish all season round, so we better eat crawfish in the winter.
And we're gonna have baby horses, unicorns.
Now I'm not buying no, babe. No one's buying no fucking unicorn.
Babe,
what the fuck is wrong?
I thought you said you were gonna give me a unicorn. I want a unicorn. I want a unicorn. That's what you said.
Bro, you finna piss me off.
How?
Because we supposed to be on this damn film vlog and you tripping for real, man.
All I wanted was a damn unicorn.
You check your underwear?
Yeah, it was on my underwear.
Because you acting like you just, you know,
no.
It happened, it came.
No, nothing's
all right,
happening.
so why you doing that shit and you see us vlogging and shit? Like, no one's gonna relate to that.
I'm not saying they're relating to the fish tree.
If I explain this bitch the way it is, they can see my future.
All right.
Okay, but you keep on fucking it up and now my business is, you know, this is very important. It's gonna cost me a lot of money to do.
All I was explaining to them is that I wanted to get a unicorn.
We not buying no fucking unicorn, man. What the fuck is wrong with you? Because I don't want no damn little study house or horse in here, man.
All right, what about a miniature horse?
I'm not getting that crooked ass horse, man.
Why?
I don't want that motherfucker, man.
You'll like it when you get it, DJ.
I don't want it.
Okay, can we get a barn?
Fucking horse on special ed, man. Nobody want that little special ed horse.
Okay,
they don't play with them.
Let's have a chicken. I want a chicken.
All right, whatever, man. Like I said, y'all, I'm planting a fish oil grass.
With chickens.
Okay? Yeah, whatever, with chickens. And it's going to be nice in the summer.
Yeah.
I just hope the sun don't fry them. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to have the whole neighborhood smelling like 7 spices. And
fish. Oh, fried fish.
So don't mind her, y'all, for real. So just sit down and think about what I'm trying to do. And I think y'all to get my vision, how I'm trying to go with this. And hey, come on, babes. You gotta slow down for real, man. Now you gotta stop that shit for real. It ain't cute, cuz
I'm not even doing that.
You know what the fuck you doing right now.
Oh, babe, you want the tree to look like that? Big and long and thick, with branches everywhere. Big branches and big trees. Long wood trees. Like that? You want like that?
Now you fuck up a lot of people's dreams, man. Okay?
I'm not fucking up your
fish you are,
dream,
bro. You
DJ.
fucking up my dream, man. Because I get serious when I start talking about something I want to create, and then you coming with all this porn talking and shit. I don't got time for all that right now.
Porn talking.
All right, talk virgin then. That means don't say nothing. Just get raped.
How does virgin people talk?
What you mean how they talk?
They want to talk about pineapples and oranges and grapes?
No, they don't talk. They listen. Shit.
Virgins listen?
Yeah, shut the fuck up. That's what they do.
God.
Listen. I'm destructing and showing you how I'm gonna stick you. That's what they do. Shut up. It's your first sign. That's what they doing. They ain't got much to talk about no goddamn moaning and sex.
Man, it's a green light. Green light.
Okay. Back to what I was saying was I'm going to make this look right. Now that's just the front yard. The backyard I'm working on putting a little, you know, cover. I'm thinking about covering the whole entire backyard and taking away the grass and making a whole dance, you know, little patio ground.
Like a club?
Yeah, like you can just do everything in the backyard. You know how people be putting the wood floors and shit? They make, you know,
like a deck.
A deck, yeah. You can do everything with the shade and all that because it's more better to hang out in your backyard sometimes more than your front because a lot of people be in your fucking business.
Right. And you know
it's
what?
Cool to be in the backyard.
My husband is really creative. Like he's really hands-on. He's gonna be able to put the deck together. All we gotta do is just buy the wood and the nails and stuff like that. It probably won't get done. He'll probably buy everything by like next week, but it probably won't get done till next year because he kind of like sits around and shit like that.
I'll be done before the summer.
You think so?
If when you pay for something, it's gonna get done.
Okay,
I'm saying that right now. When you paid in full, it's gonna get done.
Okay.
It ain't like no old school card, nothing like that. But something like that, the Mexicans, they gonna come chop it up.
No, I thought you were doing it.
Yeah, I'm gonna be doing it, but I'm babe.
You gonna pay Mexicans
Where the
to do it?
fuck I'm gonna get all that wood from? Well, you gotta call them first, right?
Depot?
Who gonna dig up all the holes? And she know how much of a square footage of a square I gotta put down in that ground? Yeah, I'm not finna go out there and dig with no one fucking shovel.
Oh,
that ain't finna happen.
My ear itches. Oh my god.
Y'all, I'm trying to explain to y'all, you know, what I'm trying to do and how I'm trying to do it, but this motherfucking wench right here, dog, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it's something hard to deal with every day. Man, get your swab conditioners, half smelling ass on out the way, man. For real.
What are you talking about?
Shit, man, you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, my hair. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, look at that. That's really big and tall.
See, I gotta get these people to dig the holes. These the kind of people I gotta call in.
I want them to dig my hole too.
You want them to do a motherfucking what?
Huh?
You want them to do what? Say what you just said. I ain't hear you.
Yeah, we need to get them to dig
No, that
our
ain't what you
hole.
said. Say what you said. I ain't hear you.
I said they need to come dig our hole too. I agree with you. We're on one accord.
Sarah, you need to get your mind out the gutter, man. For real.
My mind? What are you talking about? My mind's not even in the gutter.
Man, your mind is in the fucking gutter for real, man.
No,
Like, you
it's
fucked up in
not.
the head, dog. Like, straight up. I'm trying to talk to these folks, man. These fine people, and you over here fucking it up. You gonna bring all the, you gonna make all them niggas bust a nut.
How?
That, man, come on, bro. This ain't that kind of video, man. You fucked it up. This ain't X video.
I ain't doing nothing.
Shit, this DJ and Sarah. This is YouTube. This ain't no X video type of shit. Damn, dog. You sound like a fucking coon, man. Shut up.
Alright, just stop at the gas station. Maybe I just need a break. And you didn't get gas anyway because I want to play with the nozzle.
That's it. That's it, bro.
Hey,
No, that's it. No, I'm done. I'm done talking.
Will.
I don't want to talk anymore. You want to play with a fucking nozzle and shit? I'm done, dog. You gonna do spit on it? I'm done, bro. That's it. It's over with.
Man, I was just playing.
All right, whatever, man. You can finish off with them.
No, man.
I tried talking to y'all. I can't do too much talking no more, bro. Like I don't even know what I want to say no more. Like I'm done.
Y'all, I'm just playing a prank on him. I didn't even get to tell them yet.
Okay, well then they know already because you just said that you were just trying to do whatever. I tried to tell them. Shit, I'm serious about the fish oil, man. And you fucking that up.
You for real about a damn fish, DJ? A fish tree?
I don't know what the fuck I'm about. Shit, you fucking it up. Yes, I'm serious about a fucking fish tree.
Y'all comment down below and let me know if there's any such thing as a fish tree, please.
Well, it's gonna be when I get through with it.
Alright, whatever. Anyways, that was a freaking banger. That's like a donkey. Banger. No? Nah. Anything you want to say to your partners on here?
I tried to tell y'all what I was doing. I was trying to plant a fish tree. If y'all don't understand what I was saying, I'm gonna go buy some dirt. Every time I water my grass, the fish gonna jump out. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be live fish inside. It'll be live fish buried.
Buried in a hole, really big hole.
You something else, boy.
I love you, though.
Buddy, you something else, man.
I like give me kiss. Give me kiss.
Man, you can end the video out the way. It's done because I'm not explaining to nobody no more.
Anyways, y'all. Alright, we'll catch y'all next time. He acting like a whole party pooper right now.
Yeah, what it is.
Whatever.